I think for the pandemic, it affected, in the first instance, different businesses in different ways. And obviously those businesses that were already largely digital businesses and largely straight through kind of client experiences were able to do extremely well. And that included not exactly our health insurance business, but our Good Doctor business, which is our telemedicine platform, which we're going to talk about a bit later. So there were some businesses that were digitally native platforms that were naturally beneficiaries of, a switch to digital and a move away from physical. Other parts of our business were, of course, more dependent upon human distribution. And so, one of the big sea changes in the insurance market in China has been a very significant reduction in the industry numbers for physical agents. And in our own case, we've gone from, I guess I'll give you some numbers here. March 31, we had 1.13 million agents. Today, we have 706,000 agents. In some ways, there's a reduction of capacity there. What really happened was that you had a lot of unproductive, the long tail of unproductive agents and these people are selling life and health insurance, of course. So it's absolutely germane to the health insurance topic. And what we've really seen is a rationalization of that distribution at the industry level. There's actually a lot of positive stories inside of that, which is both the necessity and the opportunity to become much more productivity focused and much more segmented in how we manage agents and how we segment client value propositions, and therefore sort of make the right proposition available to the right client through the right channel. As far as health is concerned, and I think we'll probably get on to kind of health as well, I think it's more of a natural evolution. The health market in China, firstly, for private insurance, is still quite a small market. Ping An is the largest player. We have as our partner, and I'll talk about their role later on, Discovery Life from South Africa, which owns 25% of our health underwriting business. But the health market has been essentially a top-up market for the state health insurance system up until now. And I think it's sort of evolving into a new form. And, you can think of the kind of direction of travel, and certainly our strategy and the building blocks we're putting into place as being really a triangle of differentiated and superior financial protection products on one of the corners of the triangle, meaningful online to offline provider capabilities on a second corner of the triangle, meaning starting with our Good Doctor and telemedicine capabilities, and then the ability to link those capabilities to physical provider services of various kinds, most importantly, hospital networks. And then thirdly, sort of an ongoing wellness program. This is a way of basically engaging customers, putting them in control of their health, and helping them to take their own healthiness and well-being into their own hands. So that's very much the direction of our health insurance business, sort of integrating not only our health insurance and underwriting business, but the other health ecosystem capabilities that we have within the group.